African village life, African village food, African village vlogs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Njoki Mugo from County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking traditional food for lunch. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Let me know in the comment section, how do you call this food in your country, in your village? Wow. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 3,800 subscribers. Way to 10,000 subscribers. Kindly watch my long videos, watch my short videos, so that I can reach 4,000 watch hours. Wow, those are pumpkins and rice. Wow, we start by peeling pumpkins and cutting them into pieces. Wow, African village life. African village food. Wow, if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow, if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscription button so that you can be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you. Our recipe today: tomatoes, onions, pumpkins, rice, oil and salt. Remember, we use firewood for cooking. We use 3 stones for cooking. Remember, our sufurias are black in color outside. Wow, in the village we live a simple life and unique life. Wow, those are our onions. We cut them into pieces manually. These are tomatoes. We cut them pieces manually. Wow. Let me know in the comment section, how do you do in your country? Wow, welcome to our channel today. We are cooking traditional food for lunch. You have to wash those pumpkins well. Wow, they are yellow in color. They are so nutritious and healthy. We start by frying our onions into golden brown. Then we continue cooking. Everything is ready. The sufuria is clean. We have to add oil, add onions. We have to cook our onions until they are brown in color. Then we add tomatoes. We add tomatoes. Then we add our pumpkins. Then we add salt, respectively. We have to cover with another sufuria. Wow. We have to cover with another sufuria. Then we continue cooking. This is rice. Let me know in the comment section, how do you call this food in your country? Okay. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Kindly view my long videos, my short videos, so that I can reach 4,000 watch hours. Wow, we are now at 800 subscribers, way to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. After we add rice, we have to mix them well. Then we add water. Then we stir and cook for 30 minutes. The food will be ready. Wow, the food looks to be delicious. The outcome will be so delicious. Then we add sauce. The sauce is good. Wow. Wow. Finally, this is Fellow Life. We are located from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Life in the village. The food is ready to be served. Wow, so delicious, yummy, and unique. Let's serve the food together. Then we enjoy it together. Wow. Remember, as one family, we eat the food together. Life is in the village is so good. Wow. Let me know in the next episode, what do you want me to cook? Wow. Wow, let's enjoy the food together. The food is so delicious and good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for comments. Wow. Let's enjoy the food together. The food is so good and delicious. Wow. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next episode. Wow. Bye bye. The food is so hot.